Welcome to the session Bringing Business Transformation as a Service to Life using RISE with SAP. My name is Uwe Griegeleit. I'm running the solution management for SAP S/4HANA. And I will explain you in this session how you can use RISE with SAP to really accelerate your business transformation with the next generation cloud ERP. Because you need a next generation cloud ERP to cope with the changes that you have to bring to your business. 60% of all human tasks will be automated already by 2025. 20% of the revenue will come from products that are less than 3 years old. And 90% of large enterprises will generate revenue from data as a service by 2020 already. So what does it mean? That means you have to fundamentally change the ERP system you're working with. You have to come to an ERP system that is really supporting your strategic priorities. Be it becoming outcome-based engagements, to really engage with your end customers in a completely different way, and not only selling a product, but for instance, selling a service to the end customers. That requires you to enable new business models. So you need now an ERP system that is supporting you in coming up with a new business model on the fly. And last but not least, if you're, for instance, in the consumer products segment, you're thinking about serving a segment of one. So you would like to serve each and every one of your hundreds and thousands and millions of customers as if it would be your only customer. For that, you need an ERP system that is giving you all the data and all the context that you need to really drive that strategic transformation of your company. And all of these changes have been accelerated even by our worldwide pandemic that we are looking at. Why? Because the worldwide pandemic has brought additional challenges to your business. New safety protocols, the topic that you have to deliver a remote and work with a remote workforce have added complexity on your side. Supply chains have been disrupted because suppliers have either gone bankrupt or are not reachable anymore. Your people amongst each other and your people with your end customers have to work completely digital and distanced, which is delivering a complete different experience to your employees, but also to your interaction of your employees with your end customers. All of this is basically even strengthened and complicated by the need to eliminate non-needed costs, by the need to really do a real-time financial insight and control, and by the need to do whatever type of transformation you would like to do to your business in a rapid fashion. So this is why you need a new generation of an ERP system that is helping you to build the foundation of an intelligent enterprise and is driving you to become an intelligent enterprise. This is what we are supporting with RISE with SAP, delivering you a cloud ERP experience that is combining ERP processes, human experience management, your workforce management, analytics, and all of the governing processes of an ERP in one common solution that is driving the transformation that is needed in your business. It will help you to do a real-time and end-to-end business steering, using predictive capabilities that are helping you to better understand your business. But it is also connecting it right away with the support of a highly engaged and empowered workforce on your side. Because on the one hand, you have, of course, business requirements. You have 43% of increase in regulatory requirements in the time between 2014 and 2018. You're seeing 40% more costs in your IT operations because of complex and disrupted systems. But on the other hand, you're also facing that 37% of the company's workforces are looking at opportunities outside the company, because the opportunities are there, but also because they are not really completely happy with their job anymore. This is why it is so important that in a cloud ERP of the next generation, you're really combining these two aspects. You're combining your business transformation with the people transformation, because there is no business transformation successfully being executed on your side without transforming your people to a new way of working. And this is what we are enabling with our cloud ERP, because we have completely integrated our S/4HANA Cloud with our SuccessFactors Employee Central that is helping you to drive your strategic priorities in your people agenda in the same way as in your business agenda. How are we doing this? Let's look into a few details on that. We are doing this by driving one vision with our new cloud ERP system. We're doing this by bringing it all together on one intelligent platform, using our business technology platform, not only as the technology layer, but also as the common semantical layer going across all of the processes and all of the applications that we are delivering on top of it. And we are doing it by delivering all of these solutions with one human experience. So no matter in which part of our solution of our cloud ERP the people are working, they will get one experience and one way how they are running the system. This is helping them to really drive business transformation end to end. This is helping them to really focus on the business outcomes. So focus on the end-to-end processes and enjoying that the solution is really delivering an end-to-end processes, be it design to operate, be it record to report, be it hire to retire. No matter which classical ERP process we are looking at, the solution is really delivering a complete end-to-end common experience across this whole project. And we are focusing in every element of what we are delivering with our software on the human experience. So there's no functionality delivered in the software that is not focusing on the way how the people, how the end users are using it. So let's look into this now even a little bit more in detail and look at the individual aspects, how we are delivering this unique experience of a cloud ERP of the next generation with RISE with SAP. And let's start at the top right and then go clockwise around here in this circle. So as I said, we are starting with your people. We are starting with the people management because that is, of course, your asset. That is your machine powering your transformation in your system. So this is why we are putting the people at the center of our cloud ERP system. We are supporting these people with intelligent technologies. These intelligent technologies are, of course, taking away day-to-day activities via automation and robotics so that people enjoy really a completely automated ERP system. But the intelligent technologies are also helping the people to come up with new ideas, because machine learning and artificial intelligence can not only take away day-to-day jobs, it can also support the people in bringing up new business ideas. It can drive connections between data in the system that people haven't even thought of. This is how our intelligent technologies are driving not only the bottom line by making this system more efficient, but also driving the top line of the companies by coming up with new business models. We are doing all this in a very open and modular system. Openness is, of course, important because this system, this cloud ERP, will, of course, serve at the center of your enterprise, of your applications, but it will not be alone. It will be combined by different data sources and different applications that have to be connected to that system. But modularity is also important because when moving to the new cloud ERP, to the intelligent enterprise, we would like to give you the possibility to start this journey maybe with the classical financial processes, then go over to operational ERP and then include also the HR aspect, or to turn it from the other, to turn it around and start it from the other side. Start with your HR processes and then go over to finance and operational ERP. No matter how you're doing it, it is supported by our end-to-end processes and the modularity of the software. Powerful analytics are supporting these end-to-end processes really so that you don't have to think about how to get data out of these individual modules, but the analytical content that we are delivering with the solution is already giving you insight across the whole value chain, across the whole processes that you're implementing in the solution. The unified integration is helping you to set up processes extremely fast, no matter whether they're integrating now SAP components or even taking this integration beyond the SAP enterprise and including non-SAP applications. The business technology platform underneath is helping you to drive these integrations in a seamless way. And then last but not least, the solution is giving you a common data foundation. because data is not only the oil of today's digital world. Data is really one of the most powerful assets that you're having, that you have to use to really serve your end customers better, to outperform your competition, and to support also your people better in their day-to-day work. This is why we are really serving our cloud ERP with one common data foundation that can not only be taken into cooperation for the analytical insight, but it is also helping to drive the business processes really end-to-end forward. How are we delivering it? We are delivering with our new concept of RISE with SAP. That means we are putting the look into your business processes at the center of our engagement and at the beginning of our engagement. So this is why you see on the left-hand side here, business process design. So we start, and supported by the acquisition of Signavio we did this year, we start analyzing your processes, no matter whether these are taking place today already in SAP software or in completely different software. We are starting to analyze your processes and identify where are elements that we can improve, where are elements that we can even keep them as they are and just increase efficiency. And then we are combining it with our software offering, S/4HANA Cloud at the center, together with Employee Central to manage the workforce processes. But then we are extending it with our business technology platform that is building the common technology layer across all of these solutions, and that you can use then to extend and to integrate your application, but also that is serving as the common semantical master data layer. We are extending these in-house processes that we are delivering with S/4HANA Cloud, our HR core, and the business technology platform as a basis. We're extending these processes now with our network capabilities to collaborative integration with your companies you're working with. So this is why RISE with SAP comes with a connection to the Ariba network that you can directly use to improve your procurement processes. It comes with asset intelligence that for all of you that are managing asset or working in an asset-intensive industry, you can use that network to directly optimize your asset management. And you can connect via our logistical business network with your suppliers and with your transportation management in a very intelligent way. All of these solutions are delivered on one common cloud infrastructure, on a public cloud infrastructure where we are using, according to our 4+1 strategy, different hyperscalers and our own data centers to give you the flexibility, resilience, and scalability of public cloud infrastructure, but in the same way, the needed flexibility, compliance that you need to, for instance, take care that the data center is in a specific location or region. It is all supported by a powerful cloud application lifecycle management and also by the learning hub that we are integrating to help you to run your projects even better, because we have seen that projects that are right from the beginning taking care of the enablement of the people are a lot more successful than projects that are just taking care of that at the end of the program. So let me summarize. RISE with SAP, delivering a new experience of a cloud ERP. This is what is helping you to exceed your customer expectations and hopefully also us to exceed your expectations that you're having for a cloud ERP system by delivering a customer-centric end-to-end business process and actionable insights at any point in time. We are enabling the change on your side while reducing the risk, because we are giving you the possibility to adopt the solution in a modular way, in the best way how you would like to do it. And we allow you to transform at your terms, at your speed. So we are giving you all the speed you need, but we're giving you also the time that you need to drive this change. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the session on RISE with SAP and our new cloud ERP, and I wish you a successful Sapphire 2021.